If you're tired of comparing prices and products from too many suppliers, Nihaojewelry can help you save time, money, and energy. We're a leading wholesale platform founded in 2013, specialized in jewelry industry, and we've already helped 300k retailers worldwide. We offer everything from fashion to high-end jewelry because we not only have our own factory, but also work with over 4,000 partner factories to help you stand out in the market. Our warehouse stores more than 200k jewelry pieces with no minimum quantity to order, and we add 1,000 new arrivals every day. Every product goes through at least twice strict inspections before storage. And every order comes with a 30-day quality guarantee. Our multilingual online platform makes it easy to find specific products and see all their details. If you need customization, no problem. Simply provide your requirements to your account manager, and we will produce exactly what you want. Your dedicated account manager is available 24/7 to assist you. We also offer free laser engraving to make your jewelry more unique and competitive. And our custom packaging options are cost-effective, help your brand look more professional without overspending. On top of that, we work with trustful logistic companies and safe payment methods to protect your privacy. And the best part is our free shipping zoo includes over 140k products still with no MOQ. Whether you're a Shopify store owner, boutique owner, or just starting your business, we can help you access the competitive price and high-quality products quickly. After registering on our platform, you'll get up to $40 discount code or 10% newbie discount to save even more. So it's time to make importing easier and more efficient with a reliable Chinese wholesale supplier. Please comment Ni Hao. I will show you how to order and get your newbie discount.